AI can be a powerful study partner if you use it wisely. Here are 3 smart ways students use AI to support their learning, not replace it. First, use AI for brainstorming to generate angles, examples, and counterarguments you might not have thought of. Then, choose and refine the best ones yourself. Second, use it to clarify difficult ideas. Ask for simpler explanations or analogies, then check them against your notes or textbook. Third, use AI as feedback. Paste your own work in and ask where the reasoning is weak, which parts are unclear, and what evidence is missing. The dangerous way is letting AI do the entire assignment while you simply paste your name on it. Studies on AI in education show that when students over-rely on AI answers, their own deep understanding and critical thinking skills can suffer over time. If AI does all the work, the model gets better, but your mind does not.